Kawuke dhowath magoma maber wang'ado achakwa dhi dhowath makadhowath nam chumbi jagoro migore migawo mar weche mag nam Shadrack Mwadime Kony maino ma piny owacho kete chenro mag bero yuto mawuok e nam midendo ni blue economy ema biro konyo tieko midhiero mag thuolo mag tije mokwako rowere mathoth e pacho ka. Koloso Mombasa nyasi mar yango odiechieng' chenro mag nam kata World Maritime Day, Mwadime Kony na yanga ni lokruok mag kor lwasi bende ni midhiero mokwako chwech mopogore ma ntiere e dier nam. Kachiel kuom maino ma Kony piny owacho keto en mar tieko midhiero mar taka to chutho mago mag plastic michwalo e nam ma bende ikoni rocho ngima chwech manie nam.
We are on the right course. Even as we exploit the resources within the blue economy, we've had challenges concerning our young people accessing employment opportunities. This is the way to go. Our young people are a major resource. We shall not complain concerning them as we look ahead, and I see a bright future for the African continent as they exploit the resources within the blue economy, within the maritime, sector. They will not only be coming up with innovative ways in terms of new technology to produce goods that will be beneficial to the Kenyan community, but I foresee that even the market is available within. We will not even need to sell our products abroad because of the population that obtains in Africa and will continue increasing even as time goes by.
It goes beyond the oil. We as KMA, we specifically deal with the pollution from ships, which can come either operationally, depending on what systems you have on board to take care of the operational pollution that comes from the ships, but also accidentally. We play a very important role to ensure that ships don't break and pour oil in the waters. And that's why in the background, we have our inspectors. They check and see that you have what is required to sustain the safety of the vessel in the water and ensure that it's not polluted.